Hi, and welcome to the Holistic Dog, treating canine pain, stress, and common ailments naturally. Hi, I'm Jeannie Mosa. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and Reiki master. I've written 4 books on traditional Chinese medicine and alternative medicine. I'm the owner of Four Paws Acupuncture in Salem, Massachusetts, and Four Paws Healing in Alexandria, Virginia. I hope you enjoy this class. Thanks for stopping by. While I was in acupuncture school, I went to Pacific College of Oriental Medicine in San Diego. I had 2 German Shepherds, Nina Ballerina and her son Merlin Mosa. And Nina passed away the first year I was in school, and Merlin, who was pretty much my doggy soulmate, began to get worse. He was about 13. He had severe arthritis. He wasn't looking good, and I took him to the vet, and he also had hip dysplasia. Unfortunately, the vet just wanted to put him down. He said there was not much we could do for Merlin. Merlin was limping, he wasn't looking good, and I didn't feel that was a good option. So fortunately, the school I went to, I found a mentor who helped me and taught me how to treat dogs with acupuncture and herbs. I changed Merlin's diet. I started cooking for him, started doing other things for him. His symptoms decreased. He was able to walk better, and he was a much happier dog. And he lived to be almost 15. This is when I decided that I needed to start treating dogs, and I went into veterinary acupuncture. I also took other classes and courses. I ended up teaching a class to acupuncturists and veterinarians on my own, and I've been happy treating dogs now for over, let's see, 16 years. So this is my knowledge that I've acquired, and I'm passing it on to you so that you can make an informed decision on how you want to treat your dog and which modalities to use. This class is useful for anybody who wants to know more about holistic medicine for dogs. If you are a dog owner, a dog walker, a pet sitter, a dog trainer, if you are a vet tech or work in an animal hospital and want to know more about holistic medicine, it's great for those who work with dogs. And if you are a holistic practitioner and want to get into veterinary medicine. I wanted to cover topics that I see a lot in my clinic. Dogs coming in with pain, arthritic pain, hip and elbow dysplasia, back pain, knee pain, unexplainable pain, dogs with allergies, sneezing, itching, rashes, continuous scratching, intestinal upsets, dogs with perpetual diarrhea, vomiting, constipation. What can we do to help that? And most importantly, dogs with stress, anxiety, those who are rescues who have been abandoned, what can we do to help them? We do have some alternative methods to treat these things, and I'd like to share those with you. Going to the vet can be stressful for you and your dog. So in this class, I'd like to give you some basic information so that you can communicate with your vet about holistic medicine and so that you can make the best choice for you and your dog. In this class, we are going to learn some basic dog anatomy. Don't worry, there won't be any pop quizzes, and it's very easy. When you take your dog to the vet, you most probably will leave with some form of pain medication or medication for your dog's ailment. We will discuss common medications prescribed for pain and other ailments, as well as their side effects and what to be aware of. This will help you make an informed decision about which medication should be for your dog, so you can discuss this with your veterinarian. Is your dog sneezing, sniffling, scratching, itching himself, making you crazy? Well, don't worry. In this section, we will be talking about several natural solutions for canine allergies. There is nothing worse than your dog getting you up in the middle of the night because they have diarrhea or they're vomiting. In this section, we will give you several remedies for intestinal upsets. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's believed that weather affects pain. Cold, damp weather, hot, humid weather will affect people and dogs in different ways. In this section, we will discuss how that works and some solutions to help your dog through any type of weather. Are you confused about natural remedies? Do you even know what people are talking about when they tell you that their dog is taking homeopathic remedies or herbal remedies or Bach flower remedies? Well, in this class, we're going to break it all down so that you have a better understanding what natural remedies really are. So what are homeopathic remedies? What can I use for my dog? Are they safe? And why do they have such bizarre names? We're going to be talking about that in this class too. There are way too many supplements out there. In this class, we will just talk about some basic ones that will be perfect for your dog and their ailments. Are herbs safe for my dog? What herbs should I give my dog? Don't worry, we'll cover this in this class too. One of my favorite things to recommend to all my patients, human and animals, are the Bach flower remedies and Bach flower rescue remedies. I'll go into more detail about that in this section. Calming solutions for canine stress and anxiety. This section is especially for those who have rescue dogs, dogs who have been abandoned, abused, who are always anxietous, perhaps hide, cower, scared of loud noises, thunder, and fireworks. In this section, we will be talking about solutions to help ease your dog's stress and anxiety. We will be talking a lot about traditional Chinese medicine, its various modalities, and how it can help you and your dog. Most dogs and people love acupuncture. Learn about its benefits, how it works, and more. Scared of needles? Then try acupressure and massage. We'll talk about this extensively on how it helps dogs in pain and stress and other ailments. Oh my God, what's that smell? And what's all this fuss about moxibustion? You'll learn about laser acupuncture, how it works, and how you shouldn't use it around a cat. Did you know that there are actually chiropractors that work on horses and dogs? Learn what Reiki is and why animals love it. Please note that some of the modalities in this class, such as acupuncture and chiropractic medicine, may only be practiced by a licensed practitioner. So in this class, you will not learn how to give your dog an acupuncture treatment or a chiropractic adjustment. You will, however, learn how each therapy works so you can make an informed decision about which is best for your dog. I will provide resources for you to find a licensed practitioner. You know that old saying, you are what you eat? Well, this applies to dogs too. In the canine nutrition section, we will go over what not to feed your dog, what to look for while shopping for dog food, and I will share with you some of my favorite recipes for meals and treats to keep your dog happy and healthy. Aromatherapy. Did you know that certain scents can repel bugs such as fleas and mosquitoes? Others can create a sense of well-being and relaxation. In this section, you will learn about essential oils, how to use them safely for your pets, for your home, and how to create a pet-friendly environment. Crystals and gemstones have been used since ancient times for healing, medicinal purposes, and spiritual practices, as well as adornment. Gemstones and crystals are said to help emotions, calm the mind, reduce stress for people and animals. In this section, you will learn about specific stones for your dogs that will help with stress, anxiety, for dogs that are in pain, and for dogs who are just way too serious. Easy solutions for a pet-friendly home. This section is a Mod Podge of several suggestions that I've found in my own practice making house calls that will help you to have a more happy, healthy environment for you and your pets. Thanks so much for watching. Now, before you start the class, get out there and take your dog for a nice long walk. Enjoy!